Hello friends, are you facing a device attached to the system is not functioning in an iPhone when you are copying files, photos or videos to your Mac or your PC? Let's see the simple and fastest solution. Connect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows PC. Go to Photos and try copying your files, photos or videos to your local desktop folders. So when it is trying to copy the large files, it will take quite some time. So while it is copying, you will get an error. Your device attached to the system is not functioning. A pop-up. How to fix it? Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down to your photos, open your photos section. You will get another option called transfer to PC or Mac. By default, it is automatic. Change it to keep originals. Now disconnect your iPhone and then reconnect it and try copying the same set of files and photos. Now you will be able to copy it successfully. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel.